Good morning, students. Today we are going to deal about the second part of the last spring, which is titled I want to drive a car. This statement is spoken by Mukesh. Mukesh is the main character of this story. I have already explained that this story is taken from the collection of stories which is written by Anish Jung under title Stories of Stolen Childhood. And from there, two parts are here. First part, which is already explained, sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage. That story was about Sahib Alam. Second part is under title I want to drive a car, in which Mukesh is the main character. This story is about the bangle makers of Firozabad. The writer is telling in this story that almost every other family in Firozabad is engaged in bangle making. They all people are making the bangles and they are leading a life of agony, painful, miserable, pitiable life though the people are leading. Let us go through the summary of this chapter. I want to drive a car. In the second part, the author met a boy called Mukesh. Mukesh is living in Firozabad and every other family of Firozabad is engaged in bangle making. And almost 20,000 children are working in dingy cells, dark cells, near hot furnaces, where they are wasting their daytime and losing their eyesight before being adult. What is the reason that they are losing their eyesight before being adult? Because they are working in dark cells. There is no proper arrangement of the light and their eyes are more adjusted to the darkness in comparison of light. The writer is saying in this chapter that if the law is enforced, almost 20,000 children are taken out from these filthy conditions, these dirty conditions. But law is not enforced in India, not respected in India. And these children have to work in a very unhealthy condition. These children have to work in a very unhealthy condition. Mukesh is very much interested to take the writer Anish Jung to his house, and he is proudly saying that his house was reconstructed. He is proudly saying that his house is reconstructed. His house is reconstructed, and his house was situated in such a lane which was very stinking, very dirty, and Mukesh's father is a bangle maker. He started his life as a tailor. All he could manage, he sent his sons to school and he was able to rebuild a house. Let us see the condition of the house. There were 4 walls. The roof was thatched by the dead grass. In the family of the Mukesh, there were 4 members. Mukesh's father and Mukesh's elder brother and his wife. 4 members are there. And when they reached to the house of Mukesh, they saw the oobly door. The door was shaking. It was made of iron, but the door was shaking, and Mukesh thrashed the door and opened it. When the writer and Mukesh entered into the house, the writer noticed that there was a stove and there was a great vessel that was kept on the stove. Almost spinach leaves, perhaps spinach leaves were in the vessel and it was boiling. Some chopped vegetables was kept another side of the house, and Mukesh, elder brother's wife, was cooking evening meal for the whole family. She was frail, she was weak, her eyes were filled with smoke. But she smiled to the writer, and she is having charge of 3% over her. Mukesh elder brother and Mukesh father. When any elder member enters in the family, enters in the house, then she gently withdrew behind the broken wall and covered her face by the veil, from the veil, because it is the custom that the Bahu should veil her face before any male elders. That does not matter that that man is a poor bangle maker. The writer asked from a group of persons, what is the reason that you are not organizing yourself in a cooperative? Then the very simple answer was given by those people that if we dare to organize ourselves in a cooperative or dare to do any other work, we are beaten by the police and sent to jail for doing some illegal work. They are forced by the Sahukar for this work. This is the reason that they are not daring to do any other work. And in fact, the reality is this, that daring is not the part of their nourished up, their grown up. Daring is not the part of their growing up. Okay? Bangle makers are lying in the vicious circle of middlemen, policemen, Sahukar, politicians and bureaucrats. The author noticed that there was a girl named Savita who was joining two pieces of glass, and the writer was very much eager to know whether she knows the sanctity of the bangles or not. She replied that perhaps she does not know what is the sanctity, what is the purity of the bangles. Then she noticed that an elder woman was sitting just beside her. She was also having some bangles on her wrist, but she has lost the power of her eyes. She is unable to see, but her hands are working like the machine. And she was joining two pieces of the bangles. And it was told to the writer that bangles are considered in Indian marriage as auspicious. And these people are making the bangles for the people of all over the land. And they are also complaining that they have not taken entire meal in their whole life. Mukesh is such a character who wants to revolt against this custom, and he wants to be a motor mechanic. The writer asked from him that, do you know anything about motor? Where will you learn? Mukesh said that I would like to go to garbage. The garbage is at a far distance and I will walk to that place. And at that time it was noticed by the writer that many more aeroplanes flew over the houses, over the roofs, and she asked a very ridiculous question from Mukesh that, do you want to fly aeroplanes? Mukesh does not answer, but there was eagerness. There was confidence in the eyes of Mukesh to do something extra, leaving the custom of bangle making. Thank you. This is the summary.